Okay, yeah, another Lego haul. Some online, some in store, some at Lego store, some somewhere else, blah blah blah. Been hunting for some things. First thing I need to start with, as regulars know, these two minifigs were done for me by Beza at the Lego store, my local Lego store. Guys and girls there are 100% perfect, lovely people. And she did me two more. So I added something to this. This is Karate Kid. Okay, so there's a Karate Kid, and I put the white bar. That's like his, I don't know, nunchuck, whatever, stick. Yeah, he's really cool. I like him. He's really cool. So wax on, wax off with him. If you get that, put a comment in the video where that reference comes from and which one it comes from. And this one made it on the fly because I said, oh, I like that piece. Excuse me, it's a little guy, tree guy, with a very scary I'm scared face in the inside, and we put a little chicken on top. He looks really cool. I love him. So funny. So we got the tree guy. So we now have 4 Beza figs. Thanks, Beza. I love them. I don't know why I'm looking up there at me, but I'll look there instead. Sorry. Yeah. So Beza, GG's. Love it. Absolutely love it. So these can go over to one side because we. This Lego haul isn't in one day. This Lego haul is over like the last maybe 10 days, I suppose. So we'll start with poly bags. I got, some of you know I've hinted before I'm going to be doing a Christmas scene. So I bought another one of these today thinking I didn't have it, but I did have it already. So I've now got 2 Father Christmases, Santa Claus, whatever you want to call them, and reindeer. So they can go into that set, that build, which will be cool. Also got another one of the tie interceptor, which is really cool. I've got a couple of those now, just because I love the micro stuff. And then this one, baby gorilla encounter. Okay, this is the kind of new jungly stuff that Lego's come out with, which I think is really, really cool. Okay, so first bag, we have Ambush on Mandalore Battle Pack. I wasn't going to buy this, but I thought for completion's sake, I really do need to. And it comes with like 4 minifigs, Mandalorian Warrior, Mandalorian Night Owl, and 2 Imperial Commandos. Not a huge, amazing set, but I think it's good fun. So just to complete my Star Wars stuff that I'm collecting. So he can go there somewhere like that. Okay, and then of course we had to get the Paz Vizsla and Moff Gideon battle, which comes with Paz Vizsla, I don't know how to pronounce that, Moff Gideon Imperial Praetorian Guard. So it comes with 4 minifigs and a little scene, which looks quite cool. So that's that one, which is nice. Awesome job. These weren't that expensive. I mean, expensive, but not that expensive. Expensive for Turkey, but I thought affordable. So there we go. There's those 2 sets. Okay, like that. And I had to complete my Batman stuff that was newly released. So I bought the Batcave with Batman, Batgirl, and the Joker in his little car, which I thought was rather cool. I think he's got the rubberized cape again in this one. Batgirl's in a Batwing of sorts. So yeah, I kind of like that. I thought I'd better complete the set of new stuff. And we get like little extras, 2 $100 or 100 whatever's Lego money, a couple of weird guns for, well, 1 weird gun for Joker, a grappler for the Batman, like a diamond crystal piece, 2 Batman discs, a hot dog, a mug, and 2 what do you call them? Batarangs, a spider. There's all sorts of little stuff in there, which I thought was quite cool. It's all there on the back. So yeah, we get Batman, Batgirl, and Joker. So that was cool. That completed that set. So there's those three. So that's bag one done. Then we went on a city kind of, yeah. This, okay, there was a reason for buying this, okay, the tow truck. And this is going to be for my Christmas set. And you're going to say, huh? How can that be for the Christmas set? Well, quite simply, I'm going to put one of Santa's sleighs being towed away by the tow truck. I thought that might be quite funny. And I'll probably use this one here and see if I can connect him to be towed away. That was the idea. So I got that one. So he can go over there. Then I love the taxi in the Daily Bugle set. This one isn't the same, but it's okay. It's cool. I like it. So I bought a taxi. Maybe that can be used in the Christmas set as well. Put some snow on the roof or something. That's that. Let's put that there. If it will stay, please stay. Right. Don't fall on Beza. Then we started with the jungle stuff. So we have the Jungle Explorer ATV, which has got the new version of Johnny, whatever it is, I can't remember his name now. I've never seen the original version, so this is a new version to me anyway. I thought this is quite a cute little set. Explorer ATV, all-terrain vehicle, and it comes with a red panda as well. So that was quite a nice little set. We got that. Then we got Jungle Explorer waterplane. Never had a plane before, and that comes with what was it? 2 minifigs. Yeah, 2 minifigs and some crocodiles, even a baby crocodile. So that's cool, and a frog sitting on the back of the crocodile, and the seaplane, of course. So this is all from the new jungle stuff, which we think, according to some leaks, jungle biome is coming to, if you're into it like I am, is coming to Lego Fortnite. So I thought that'd be quite cool to get those. So there's that. Then we've got the Jungle Explorer truck, which comes with how many figures? 1, 2, 3 figures and a tiger, which is really cool. I like that idea. So yeah, there's that one. Comes a little set. You can take the lid off the top of the tow truck. It's got the girl with the camera, so it's the film crew basically, and Johnny again with his hat, and the tiger looks really cool. I really like that tiger. It's very, very cool. So there's that one. So I need to put the Bezas being covered up. Okay, so I'm not going to have room for this lot. And then the big last one, which is the Jungle Explorer helicopter, which comes with obviously helicopter, but also comes with baby gorilla, 2 gorillas, 2 full-size gorillas, spider, little motorbike comes out the back, all sorts of stuff coming out there. That looks really cool set. Oh yeah, what do you call it? Hovercraft. So hovercraft, a little base camp, which all slides away inside the helicopter. And of course there's a pilot in there. Is that Johnny again? I need to check. Might be, might not be. No, it's not, it's just a pilot. And the crew, so like medical staff and all sorts. There's a mechanic there. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minifigs, 2 gorillas, 1 baby gorilla, and a spider and a butterfly by the looks of things. So yeah, that was good. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, to be honest, but put that maybe over there. Okay, that's cool. Right. So that finishes that off. Then we got the new Hogwarts Castle potions class, because I like Harry Potter stuff, and this is the new one. I know there's an older one which I have, but this one slides into the new Great Hall set that's just been released. So this one comes with how many minifigs? 1, 2, 3, 4 minifigs, and some like potions and all that sort of stuff. And it folds out. It folds in as a box and then it folds out. I've seen a couple of reviews, but it does look cool. So yeah, we've got Severus Snape, Pansy Parkinson, Seamus Finnegan and Hermione Granger. So that was cool. Let's put that somewhere like there. Okay. You can still see my head. Then I had to buy Ollivander's and Madame Malkin's robes set, which is very, very cool. Yes, I have the Diagon Alley set, but it's huge. I haven't built it. It's still in its original box. I'm probably going to sell it because I just don't have the space to display it. But this is a smaller version and they're releasing parts bit by bit, which is very cool. And the wands in Ollivander's are awesome. I mean, so many different wands. And this comes with Padma Patil, is that? Yeah, Patil, Harry Potter, a wizard, witch, Garrick Ollivander, and Madame Malkin. So, yeah, Madame Malkin's robes is really cool. And a little guy, the little wizard in his wheelchair, which I think is really nice. So yeah, there's that, and there's little signposts on it as well to Gringotts Bank, which I have. Quality Quidditch supplies, Flourish and blocks. All sorts. So yeah, I've seen a review and I quite liked this set, and there is the front of the box. So yeah, so you know, another one. That's cool. I don't know where I'm going to put this right now. God. Okay, don't know where to put it. Let's move that there. Let's see if I can balance that on there. Okay. Hello. And last, but by no means least, I bought the Great Hall. Oh my God, that's such a big box. Oh, okay. So here's the Great Hall. You can't even see it all, but I had to buy this because I haven't got a big version of this. I've got a smaller version, which is again in the box, so that will be sold. I'm going to be selling quite a few things now because I'm realizing space-wise I just don't have enough, even with this room. So I'm gonna have to get up for this. Okay, so we've got some collectible portraits, of course, in this set, but the big thing for me is the troll. Is it the troll that comes in, the blue troll? Yeah, mountain troll. Albus Dumbledore, Professor Quirrell, Professor Vector, Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, Leanne, Daphne Greengrass, Terry Boot, and one of the ghosts, Fat Friar. Is that Fat Friar? Yeah, Fat Friar. I want to get that right. So yeah, I got quite a few sets, and I'm going to have to put this down because it's too big, and I'll put this one down so at least you can see my head high. And as you see in the background, the Batman Gotham City art set is up on the wall, hasn't fallen down yet. Fingers crossed it won't fall down. And yes, on top of that, there's a few sets I ordered online, which is again for my Christmas thing, which is the City Ski Mountaineering Resort 60366. I'll probably put a picture here somewhere on the screen. And also Harry Potter's Weasley's Wizard Weezers with the Owl Post and 7 minifigs. That will go with obviously the Harry Potter what's it called, the Ollivanders and stuff. So it's to build up a Diagon Alley smaller version set. So yeah, that's the haul. This is over the last 10 days, but a lot of it is like I say, those two are coming online. One's coming tomorrow, which is the ski and mountaineering resort, and the other one's coming Wednesday. Today is Monday. So that's it. I'm gonna have some sets for sale. Gonna have to put them up for sale somewhere. Don't know where yet, but I need to not so much recoup, but there's no point having a huge Diagon Alley that I'm not going to use because there's not enough room for it. I'm hoping they come out with a smaller version of Gringotts Bank, because I have the full set, the big one, again not built. So and prices have gone up here by 25%. I will just sell them to get my money back. If I get extra for them, great. If not, it's no worries for me. But yeah, so that is the end of the haul, and there you go. So we've got quite a few things. Let me know in the comments from the previous haul videos and this. I'll put a link to the last haul video, which set you want me to build next as a video, because I'm getting confused by the amount of sets I've got. Thank you for the views and the likes and the comments on some of my videos. I am going to start a second channel, and the second channel is going to be just Lego builds. So I will put all the old builds up there bit by bit, because this channel, Opsman, is really known for playing games, not so much Lego. I've got to come up with a name, an availability for the channel name. I'm hoping to call it something like Brickit. You people from the UK might know what that means. Maybe not the US, I'm not sure. But anyway, Brickit, which will be for Legos, bricks, blah, blah, blah. And then I've got all the videos, so I can post them up on the other channel. I think you can put, is it 2 or 3 videos per day according to the algorithms. I should put those up because I have them ready, and then eventually I would just post on both for now and see what happens, because like I've said before, I need 10,000 subscribers, which is not going to happen straight away. It's going to take a while, but that's my target for either channel, to reach 10,000. So I will do an announcement once I have the channel set up and the first few videos up. If you just want Lego content, go there. If you want Legos and game content, come here. Please let me know what you think. Is it a good idea, bad idea? Don't know. We'll see what happens. But anyway, I'm waffling, and sorry for it going on for so long, but I love Lego. I'm just an enthusiast, collector, stroke builder, crazy person, okay? And whilst the going's good, I'm just gonna buy the sets that I like. So smash the like button, subscribe, tell your friends, comment, do whatever you can to help me out. Everything's appreciated, and I will see you soon, no doubt. Let me know in comments though, please let me know which set out of this or the previous Lego hauls do you want me to build that I haven't already done. See you later, bye bye.